So the winter is here and with it comes a lot of dry and cold air. But the problem arises when we are constantly moving in and out of our homes because the environment inside our home is warm and humid while the outside atmosphere is dry and cold. And this constant change causes a lot of damage not only to the hair but also to the skin. And therefore, prepping the hair and skin beforehand will definitely redeem some really fruitful results. So in an attempt to dodge this damage or at least minimize it as much as possible, let's talk some strategies, some tips and tricks, some products. This is Manoj Chaudhary. We are the Alpha Army. Glad to have you on board. Now, talking about hair, the worst thing that can happen to it in winters is dandruff, at least in my eyes. And the second worst thing is getting frizzy hair. And therefore, any winter hair care arsenal should have at least a good hair oil. It doesn't really matter what hair oil you're using as long as it suits you and it is mostly chemical free. But I've got two recommendations for my brothers anyways. The first one is the virgin coconut oil, as it is an abundant source of vitamin E. Plus, it is a complete bang for buck as it is the cheapest hair oil you can get that actually works. But the second one is the Ayurvedic hair oil by Ustraa, as it's got all the essential items and it is way lighter in contrast to the coconut oil, so it is a little better in my opinion. But of course, the final choice is always up to you. All I need you to do is to choose a good hair oil. That's it. Because a hair oil is the best care you can give your hair in winters, in my opinion, as it's got the ability to not only treat flaking but also frizz. So it's like two targets with one arrow. Because flaking is caused due to dryness on the scalp. And hair oil is the perfect weapon to deal with that as it specializes in moisturizing the scalp. And similarly, when our hair strands get dry, they get frizzy. But in order to prevent that from happening, our scalp naturally produces sebum that is meant to travel down the hair length in order to keep it moisturized. But that process does not quite work most of the time, especially with long hair, of course due to the hair length. And therefore we give some extra nourishment to our hair from the outside in the form of hair oils. Thus, the oils that are rich in fatty acids and vitamin E actually create a barrier that prevents the hair strands from losing that precious moisture. And this barrier also prevents humidity from entering the hair shaft, keeping frizz as away as possible. And now the second item on the winter hair care arsenal would be a wooden comb because of two of its major abilities. Number one, it can absorb oils, thereby distributing them more uniformly throughout the hair length, both the natural ones and the ones that we apply from the outside, making sure the ends also get the good stuff. Number two, the ability to not cause static to the hair, thereby preventing frizz that is caused due to static charge buildup in the hair. Now, of course, there are many other things that we can do for the betterment of our hair in terms of winter hair care, but these two are the most crucial ones. Now, before we talk about skincare, do remember to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and it's up to the channel to keep the Alpha Army community growing. And also you can share any of your skin or hair related problems on the Alpha Army Discord server, linked in description. Now, talking about skincare, again, the major problem is going to be dryness, which makes the oil glands overwork in order to compensate. Now, for the people with naturally dry skin, all that is required is a soft face wash that does not dry the skin itself and a good moisturizer that can keep the moisture and oils locked inside. Of course, we can include as many products as we want in our skincare regimen, but these two are the most important ones. But a major problem arises for people like me who've got oily skin, because our skin is already oily, and on top of that, the oil glands overwork due to dryness to make things worse. So it is quite difficult to find products that could deal with these sort of situations. I mean, face wash, yes, you can find one that completely clears out every ounce of oil from the face, but a moisturizer that gets absorbed into the skin like 100%, that's quite rare to come across. And that's the reason I consider myself lucky to give this a try. This is the moisturizing cream by Ustraa, which is made especially for oily skin. And I have to say, even if I mistakenly apply too much of it, it just gets absorbed into the skin. And after a few minutes, my face looks completely matte. Not a drop of oil to be found on there. Now, of course, it's got some really good stuff such as shea butter to keep the skin moisturized and tamarind to find excess oil and acne. But the thing that is important to me is that it keeps the skin moisturized and it does not make the skin look oily, not in the least. But in order to provide a clear base for this moisturizer to work properly, I've got the Ustraa Oil Control Face Wash as well. Now, of course, you can go with any face wash of your liking, but it is always better to use those products together that are meant to be used together. And both of these combined actually make the oil control pack. So this face wash has got key lime extract that keeps acne in check, and wild basil extract, which is the best known antioxidant in nature. So it's also got some oil control capabilities. And of course, both the products are completely harmful, chemical free, so no sulfates, no parabens. So go and check out this amazing product and bring out your swag with Ustraa. So in an endless list of things that we can do to prevent damage to our hair and our skin, I believe these were the most important ones. So if you enjoyed watching it, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And then there's the Alpha Army Discord server waiting for you to join in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you around. Alpha.